Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your market position with Porter's 5 Forces, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding Porter's 5 Forces is essential for anyone looking to upgrade their market position. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the framework, which evaluates industry competitiveness. Identify the first force, the threat of new entrants. Examine barriers to entry in your industry, such as capital requirements and regulatory constraints. Assess how easily new competitors can enter your market. Next, analyze the bargaining power of suppliers. Determine how many suppliers exist and the uniqueness of their products. Evaluate how much influence suppliers have over pricing and quality. Move on to the third force, the bargaining power of buyers. Consider how many buyers are in the market and their importance to your business. Analyze how changes in buyer preferences can impact your sales. The fourth force is the threat of substitute products. Identify any alternatives that satisfy the same customer needs. Examine how likely customers are to switch to these substitutes. Finally, assess the intensity of competitive rivalry within your industry. Look at the number of competitors and the level of differentiation between their offerings. Evaluate how aggressively these competitors are fighting for market share. Compile your findings to create a comprehensive analysis. Use this analysis to identify strategic opportunities for improvement. Decide on actionable steps to enhance your market position based on the insights gathered. Implement changes in pricing, product development, or marketing strategy as needed. Monitor the market continuously to keep your analysis relevant. Revisit Porter's 5 Forces regularly to ensure you adapt to new challenges and opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.